Best drinks to take when thirsty. 1. Water. As you can imagine, water is one of the best drinks to fight dehydration. Drinking water throughout your workout helps replace the water you're losing by sweating. It's also key to drink when you're not feeling well. And, no matter where you are or what you're doing, you'll probably be able to find a glass of water. 2. Gatorade. A favorite of athletes and workout warriors, Gatorade is chock full of electrolytes, but it's also high in sugar. Sugar, in this case, is not all bad. It's actually helping your body absorb the electrolytes more efficiently. Plus, Gatorade does have an option with less calories and sugar called G2 for those watching their sugar intake. 3. Homemade lemon ginger drink. With the right ingredients, you can whip up your own electrolyte-infused drink. The key is to include sugar, salt, and plenty of water. This delicious lemon ginger electrolyte drink recipe calls for ginger, lemon, lime juice, agave, sea salt, and mineral water. 4. Watermelon. It's not a drink, but watermelon is 92% water. Anytime you eat watermelon, you're getting water and a hefty dose of vitamin A, vitamin C, and electrolytes. 5. Coconut water. Coconut water is nature's version of a sports drink. It contains 5 main electrolytes: potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and sodium. Like a sports drink, coconut water also has sugar. What's the difference, then? A store-bought sports drink has up to 4 times as much sodium as coconut water, but it also contains high fructose corn syrup instead of natural glucose and fructose.